Hi Sandesh, thank you so much for joining us today at Decentral Talkies. It's really amazing to have you here with us. Why don't you go ahead, introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about WorkFlexi and what it does?
Hi Aishwarya. Thank you so much for having me. So just to introduce myself, my name is Sandesh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of WorkFlexi. We are a platform for gigs. So basically we cater to the gig economy and we connect hirers or clients or employers to gig workers. Gig workers are anybody who would take up a task, they complete the task, and that's the end of the engagement. So basically, we are a platform to connect these two people, and we facilitate an online payment mechanism, right? So that's basically what WorkFlexi does in a nutshell.
Got it. So you talked about WorkFlexi having a very strong focus towards payments. So how does money flow work as far as WorkFlexi as a platform is concerned?
One of the biggest challenges in India is the fact that there is a lot of delay in payments. Most of the staffing companies that exist in India are predominantly facing that big issue of not getting payments on time. Okay, and that's the same problem with gig workers as well. So basically, these freelancers or gig workers, they don't get paid on time, and there's a lot of problems in terms of and it's a very unorganized sector. What we've done is we tried a lot of payment gateways. We tried to figure if it was possible to bring payment gateways to ensure that they connect our clients' payments to personalized wallets. Right. And if that was possible, then the payments could be routed through WorkFlexi, and gig workers or freelancers could get paid immediately, instantly, right? So, but then there were multiple challenges. One of the biggest challenges was the fact that the moment you bring in a payment gateway, now you have these big clients or for any company for that matter, to transfer money from a current account to the payment gateway through the payment gateway was a challenge. Because if there is an individual, if you're putting in your credit card or a debit card, that's still fine. It works, right? But from a company standpoint, that becomes a huge challenge to kind of ensure that payments are done through the payment gateway and there's a personalized wallet the money goes into, and eventually the money transferring to the gig worker. Now that's something that we struggled, right? So we tried to look for. I mean, luckily for us, Decentro happened at the right time. I happened to meet one of my friends, and he said, "Okay, why don't you try Decentro, because this is something that will probably solve your problem." And we looked at Decentro and we said, "Okay, what does Decentro bring to the table?" Basically, we said, "Okay, they bring in a concept called virtual accounts." So basically, anybody coming onto WorkFlexi's platform could create a virtual account, and that virtual account could be used as a personalized wallet. So that kind of appealed to us, and the payment can be made through or other payment can be made offline. It need not be on the platform. So that way, anyway you load the wallet, anyway you load the virtual account, the money comes and sits into your personalized wallet here on WorkFlexi, and that's something that very appealing to us. And we said, okay, this is something that will work really well for us because most of our clients want such solutions. Because say in India, it is one thing to kind of build a platform. It is another thing to ask people to trust the platform. Okay, and the platform has to be trusted from the time they log in to the time they exit, and that's a challenge, right? Now the trust begins at different pages, at different inflection points of the platform itself, right? So that is something that we want to kind of ensure that the clients stay on the platform and transact through the platform, right? So what we did was we asked all of our clients to now see, before what had happened was the payment gateway was a little bit of a challenge, a bottleneck for most of our clients who hold current accounts. Now that problem isn't there. Okay, there is always this personalized virtual account that is created on our platform, and automatically the money is transferred to the virtual account, and it stays in the in their personalized wallet, and from there they can always disperse the money to the gig worker hassle free. So that is something that we liked, and that's kind of working for us. And before, it used to be a lot of manual invoicing. manual payments that we kind of made, but now we have 100% online payments. There's no manual payments that we do. Yeah, we've stopped manual payments, and that's something that we love, and that's something Decentro has helped us with, and because of that, we kind of love you guys.
Thank you so much. This is so amazing to hear. If I were to ask you, say the top 2 or 3 things that you love about Decentro, what would come to your mind at first?
Well, see, the seamless execution of the payments itself comes to mind here. I mean, today, if you ask me, the payment gateway is, it is a pain. Believe me when I tell you. From a company standpoint, making payments through a current account, right, is a pain. But to be honest, it's pain, and we face that problem ourselves. Okay, and for us, that's one good thing that happened, and we realized that this is something that kind of solves our problem instantly, and with the advent of UPI payments, it kind of this kind of adds icing on the cake, right? So that is one thing that we love. And the second is we've got some great support from you guys. Nikhil has been really, really good, and he's been accommodative. Initially we had a lot of problems to integrate the entire thing because this was very new, and we ourselves struggled. Our tech team struggled to kind of integrate slightly, but then now it works seamlessly. I really feel it's pretty good.
We are really glad that Decentro is able to do our bit to help revolutionize the gig economy as such. Thank you, Sandesh. This has been an amazing session. Really look forward to catching up with you again. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.